In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show a discount on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a discount that customers can use at checkout and how to set it up so it displays the way you want. Start by opening the Shopify website in your browser and signing in to your Shopify admin. From the admin dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and select Discounts. This is your hub for all promotional codes and automatic discounts. Inside, you'll see any existing discounts and a button to create a new one. Click Create Discount. You'll be taken to a setup page where you define what your discount does and how it appears to shoppers. Next, set the amount of the discount. Choose whether it's a percentage off, like 10% off, or a fixed amount, like $5 off. Pick the option that matches your promotion and enter the value. This is what customers will see reflected in their cart and at checkout. Now enter the discount code. Choose something short, memorable, and easy to type. Uppercase codes are common because they're easy to read. Avoid special characters that might confuse customers. If you prefer to generate a random code, you can do that as well, but make sure it's something you can share clearly in your marketing. Under the other necessary details, decide where and how the discount applies. You can apply it to an entire order, specific collections, or selected products. If you want to encourage higher order values, set a minimum purchase amount or a minimum quantity. Choose who can use it, everyone, specific customer segments or certain customers, and set usage limits, such as one use per customer or a total number of uses. Schedule the start and end dates so the code only works during your promotion window, and select the sales channels where it's valid, like your online store or point of sale. If stacking discounts isn't part of your strategy, disable combining with other discounts to prevent double dipping. Once you've entered everything and reviewed it carefully, click Save. After saving, you'll see a summary of your discount and a link you can share directly with customers so the code is applied automatically when they visit your store. It's a good idea to test the code yourself by adding a product to your cart and applying the code at checkout to confirm it works as expected. That's it. You've created and shown a discount on Shopify. Keep an eye on performance in the discounts section to see how many times it's been used and adjust details or dates as needed for your next promotion.